What's the meaning of Congo? Congo. Congo.
Congo. Congo. Congo is a country located in Central Africa. The name Congo derives from the Bakongo ethnic group, who are native to the region. Congo was colonized by Belgium in the late 19th century and gained independence in 1960. Today, Congo is known for its vast rainforests, wildlife, mineral resources, and cultural diversity. Despite this, the country has faced ongoing conflicts and political instability, resulting in humanitarian crises and significant challenges to development. The meaning of Congo, therefore, encompasses not just its geographic location but also its complex history and ongoing struggles.